Mati, selamat datang dalam acara Daikin Designer Award 2020.
Dan selamat datang kami ucapkan kepada para tamu undangan yang telah hadir di acara Daikin Designer Award 2020. Sebelumnya perkenalkan, nama saya Erlinda Sialahi.
Dan saya Renold Andika yang akan memandu acara pada sore hari ini.
Kepada para tamu undangan kami informasikan bahwa selama acara berlangsung di dalam ballroom silakan menggunakan masker, dan jika saat naik ke atas panggung silakan menggunakan face shield saja. Ladies and gentlemen, to start the event tonight, we would like to invite our President Director of PT Daikin Air Conditioning Indonesia, Mr. Ching Kim Kuat, to come on stage and give the welcome speech.
Okay, very good evening. I think this is the first time that I did a speech without translation. I believe that all of you can understand English very well, right? Okay, I think it's good because sometimes the translators is unable to follow my English, right? Okay, I think on behalf of Daikin Indonesia, thank you very much for taking time off to attend this Designer Awards events, right? I also want to take the opportunity to thank Mrs. Rina from the Indonesia Interior Designer Association. And I think Mr. William may not be here. I think he's a secretary from this Indonesia Architect Association, right? He will be joining us soon. And of course, I also need to specially mention, right, the two very important judges that who actually, helping Daikin, and they are actually so-called spending their times to be a panel, right, to sit on the judging panel, right? Mr. Kosma and also Mr. Alex, right? Mr. Kosma is from the Indonesia Architect Association, and Mr. Alex is from the Indonesia Interior Designer Association, right? And of course, more importantly, we also have participants, right, who are here. Of course, not all of you. I believe some of them are actually now joining these events, so-called online, right? As a result of the pandemic, right? I think probably this will be the norm, right? In fact, this is for Daikin Indonesia. Actually, I lost count. We have already done a few hybrid events, we so-called, right, online and offline. So very grateful that all of you have been are here tonight, right, to join these events. Okay, why Designer Award? Right, this is the very first time, right, we do these events, right, in a partnership with our pro shops, right. In fact, there are a few pro shops owner here, right. Daikin Pro Shop is actually a professional setup, right. Basically, we want to provide one-stop solutions to our customers, right, when they are choosing Daikin, especially for their residential houses, right. So the pro shops will actually provide not only quality equipments, good designs, but also good installations, and more importantly, also the after-sales support, right. So it's a very important channel for us to reach out to the residential so-called customers, right. And during the course of this so-called business, we also realized that interior designers and architects, both of you play a very important role in, especially, right, we talk about COVID, so everybody is talking about indoor air quality. So I believe, for architects and interior designers, we are not just talking about, good design, but I think it's also important to, build in a good air conditioning systems. Right? I hope that you will consider Daikin for your future project, but at the same time, the pro shops and Daikin will be here to support you in terms of designs, in terms of selections, and also provide the so-called one-stop solution, especially how to address the indoor air quality issues. Right? I have been working in many countries before I come to Indonesia. I'm actually a Singaporean. So in most of the ASEAN country, when you talk about air conditionings, right, especially for housing projects, right, typically aircon consume almost half of the electricity bill, 50 to 60%, right. So it's important not only to have energy efficiency air conditioning, right, but it's also important to have good design, good installations, right, and also good after-sales service and support. That's where we decided to establish this pro shop channel, right, a few years ago. Currently, we have about 34 pro shops, and by end of next year, we have even 34. All the pro shops will have their showrooms, right. So I hope that interior designers and architects will work closely with this group of pro shops. We hope that you will bring your customer to visit our pro shop showrooms so that it's easier for you to explain to your potential customer what is good equipment, what is good installation, what is good after-sales service, right? So I hope through this event, we also want to, support the, especially in this case, the young professional, interior designers, and hopefully maybe in future architects also can join these events, right? But at this stage, we are targeting at mainly the interior designer, right? We hope that this will be a platforms where especially the young ID, right, can actually join the events, and through these events you get to know, the others' ID, and at the same time you get to understand more about good designs, right? Especially using, hopefully, Daikin equipments, right, with good designs, and to provide a better service to your customer, right? And this is the very first time, right? Like I said, we conduct these events, and also under this pandemic situation, it's actually difficult for us to do a lot of publicity to make this event big, right? But I hope next year, right, we can do a better one, a bigger one, right? And I would like to see this as an annual event, right? So I do hope that we can continue to have support from the Indonesia Architects Association and also the Indonesia Interior Designer Association. Right? Daikin is here to work with both of you, both associations, right? And then we want to make this platform a better one, right? For all the interior designers and all the young architects especially, right? So we really hope to work together with all of you, right? So ideally, right, we can provide good design and good air conditioning equipments and solution to our customer, right? Okay, so I would like to end my speech here. once again, right, thank you for taking time off to attend these events. And I hope to see you guys and next year again, right? As I said, I would like to make these annual events, and I also want to make these events bigger and more impactful, right? Thank you very much.
Thank you to Mr. Ching Kim Kuat for the welcome speech. Dan sebelumnya kita mulai acara pada malam hari ini, izinkan kami untuk memperkenalkan manajemen PT Daikin Air Conditioning Indonesia. Yang pertama, good evening for Mr. Ching Kim Kuat as our President Director.
Dan yang kedua, kepada Bapak Budi Mulya selaku President Director Finance and Other Service.
Kami juga mengucapkan selamat datang kepada Bapak Fauzi Muhammad Taib sebagai General Manager Business Planning.
Dan kami juga mengundang Bapak Wengki Handono selaku Asisten General Manager Project Sales.
And good evening for Mr. Yotaru Shibakawa as Engineering and Technical Support Manager.
Dan kepada Ibu Selvi Aniyongnata selaku ProShop Sales Manager. Dan terima kasih kepada seluruh hadirin yang telah hadir pada malam hari ini. Dan yang menyaksikan online YouTube melalui channel Daikin ProShop Indonesia.
Baik para hadirin, sebelum kita memasuki acara inti pada malam hari ini, terlebih dahulu kita akan berbincang-bincang bersama para juri mengenai Daikin Designer Award 2020 dalam sharing sesi berikut ini.
Oke, tanpa berlama-lama kita langsung saja akan mengundang pada juri pada malam hari ini. Yang pertama kepada Mr. Alex Bayu Saputro from Himpunan Desainer Interior Indonesia HDII DKI Jakarta. Dan yang kedua kepada Mr. Kosmas Gozali from Ikatan Arsitek Indonesia IAI Jakarta. Dan yang ketiga, kepada Ibu Selvi Aniyongnata dari PT Daikin Air Conditioning Indonesia. Oke, dan yang keempat kepada Mr. Yutaro Shibakawa dari PT Daikin Air Conditioning Indonesia. Oke, good evening of Mr. Alex, Mr. Kosmas, Ibu Selvi, dan Mr. Yutaro Shibakawa. Good evening.
Good evening.
Oke, first thank you to all judges for attending the Daikin Designer Award 2020. Selamat datang dan mungkin saya akan langsung saja ya. Kita akan acara sharing session pada sore hari ini.
Kayaknya pada tegang nih Reno, kayaknya pada tegang. Mesti bikin suasana lebih cair nih ya.
Gimana Pak Alex, Pak Kosmas, mungkin kabarnya udah sangat menentukan ya pada final hari ini itu juri-juri sudah pada memutuskan ya. Untuk finalis kita akan umumkan pada hari ini. Mungkin langsung saja ya Ci ya, karena kan ada keterbatasan waktu, saya akan bertanya, kita akan mulai session sharing. Yang pertama, Mr. Alex,
Yes.
as one of the most leading interior design in Indonesia, could you share to us your story about why you started deciding to enter the world of interior design?
Well, on my side, right, a bit, I guess it's already kind of path there. I was a painter when I was young, and this was in 1978, 79, like that. And well, my dad disapproved me to become a painter because during that time, painter got no money. Actually, he can't see me become a destine myself into a gambler. So he kind of like persuade me to get something else because I want to quit school. That was the problem. So when I want to quit my school, he got freaked out. So he managed to try to detach me from my community because during that era, 1980, the painter are all long hair, tattoo, and smoker. So he sent me to New York. So from there, I guess I got no other choice. I don't like accounting. I don't like finance. I don't like chemistry. I don't like physics. So actually, I got nothing else to do, right? So the only field I can do, I guess, is designing, right?
Oh.
So that's pretty much quite simple for me.
Oh, and you entered the...
I just go to the design school, right? I cannot design fashion. I'm not a musician, so pretty much my life, I cannot do anything except design, except drawing. So that's pretty much the only skill I got. So from there, I just go in, and yeah, just been doing that since the day I go to school, graduate until today.
Okay,
I've been practicing in my work for 30 years.
Oh, 30 years.
I'm not young anymore.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Alex. And for Mr. Cosmas, same question. As one of the most leading architect in Indonesia, could you share to us your story about why you started deciding to enter the world of architect?
Okay, long time ago, when I was young, there is no malls at all in Jakarta, right? So there is only Pasar Baru and so on. So every weekend, my dad always bring us to go around the city, to Menteng area and Kebayoran area. I was, I think, 4th or 5th grades. So, and then, also, the car doesn't have aircon at the time, and so we open all the windows, right? And then we go slow down because there is no traffic and there is no crimes also. And go around and around the city, I always look at all these buildings, in Menteng and Kebayoran. And somehow, I don't know, I feel like these buildings calling me. Yeah, and then I feel like, I always wondered, who are the guys who can design like this, who can make this kind of beautiful buildings? So and then I feel like I have to be an architect. So I like also painting but I also like maths and physics and so on. So I think architecture is the compromise for everything, right? So that's why I feel like I want. But at the time, become an architect is like it's no future jobs. So my dad's trying to convince me that this is really, you will become no one, you will earn nothing, and then he showed me all the sample, the unsuccessful architects. But I just telling him that, I don't know, it's just calling my heart, this is me. So even though it's a tough life, then I have to go.
Okay.
So then I decide to go for architecture.
So you start in Kebayoran Baru first?
No, yeah. When I was young, Kebayoran Baru and Menteng, there are a lot of very beautiful buildings, right? So like Bank Indonesia also, and then all these houses, heritage in Kebayoran and so on, So that is how it started.
Okay, thank you for Mr. Cosmas. And for the next question, for Mr. Alex, what does interior design means for Mr. Alex?
Interior design is actually, you actually creating an actually emotional space. You're creating an aesthetic place in a room or a house or a mall or retail. So it's a lot about emotional. So you're actually using color, proportion, lighting to generate the mood that you want to create. So to me, it's actually like a stage creation. So it's like a movie set. What do you want to create? You want a Louis XVI, or you want a modern, you want a James Bond kind of character, like wearing suit and Aston Martin, or you want a Johnny Depp in Pirate Caribbean, that a little bit more hippie kind of thing. So interior is about that. It's actually an empty room. You'll be able to bring that emotion into a space.
Okay.
And this is what we usually do, either creating the ambient what you want to create, a coffee shop, a retail, a mall, or even a hotel. What kind do you want to create luxury, or you want to create a little bit more casual or industrial or warehouse look? All this are actually is a design skill that assembling all this element together to create that aesthetic pleasing, right?
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Alex. And for Mr. Cosmas, what does architecture means for you, Mr. Cosmas?
So architecture definitely not a job for me, and also not a hobby. For me, architecture is my life.
It's your life,
It's my
architecture.
life. So every morning when I wake up, and I'm so happy and I'm so thankful and grateful that I'm an architect. So if I'm not become an architect, I don't know. I think I will stop breathing. So architecture is really make me what I am, and part of is me. Is my life. So that's why I keep telling to young students or young architects, when you wake up in the morning and feel like, oh my God, I have to go to the office and to work. I said, it's time for you to stop and change your profession, because you will not enjoy it. If you want to enjoy to become an architect, then it has to be your life. So this is what is architecture for me.
It's your life. Okay. And for last question for Mr. Alex and Mr. Cosmas. First of all, maybe Mr. Cosmas first ya. What are the impression and expectation of Mr. Cosmas, especially in supporting Indonesian designer in the future?
Sorry.
What are the impression and expectation in this event, especially in supporting Indonesian designer and architect in the future?
Yeah, this is every competition is very important. I think for every young architect or interior designer has to participate in every competition, because by doing that, because architects or designers, they are very ego person, right? They're always thinking that what I do is all the best things, right? So nobody can comment it, but in the competition, there is always judges who has to comment, right?
Yeah,
so,
right.
And then based on experience, based on knowledge and so on. And then we train to ourselves to open our mind to see what we did, our design from other person perspective. Because by the end, what we are doing is not only for ourselves, we are doing for clients. So we need to learn to listen what also other people think about this. So that's why I think it's good. I hope that all the young architects and designers will participate even more next year, and then learn even more about all these things. And I always glad to be participate in this kind of event, because this will train us, our level to know about ourselves and better. So because if we are not become better, how can we compete with the global market?
Yeah.
So that's why we have to be better and better.
Okay, thank you for your answering, Mr. Cosmas. And last, Mr. Alex.
Can you help repeat
Yeah.
the question again?
What are the impression and expectation of you in this event, especially in supporting Indonesia designer in the future?
First of all, I do like to thank Daikin. I mean, the competition that you make this is very, very good, and we need a lot more of people like you guys to support the industry. I mean, otherwise, nobody create competition, then there's no competition. That's one. So I like thanks you guys for creating this event, especially during this pandemic time. I know it was not easy, but I was very impressed. The team has worked hard to create this offline and online seamlessly. I was enjoying the presentation from the candidate, some of them with a lot of enthusiasm. Despite all the setback that we had to face, we cannot see you, you are actually on the screen, and I always try to see where am I in the middle of the green jungle background, right? But it was quite fun. And what do I expect to see next year? I hope this is as this is not going to be the last one. This will be the beginning.
Okay.
I will expect more to see, I guess, a lot more interior to join in. A lot more, maybe it's not only just residential. I would like to see more maybe on restaurant, F&B, or retail. Something like commercial that can inject creativity to the interior. Because I realize that when you're doing residential, no matter you go left and right, you're still gonna be 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and 1 toilet. And you are stuck with that. It's conceptual, sometimes there's always a limit you can do. But when you expand the horizon into more, maybe F&B is one, or the creative one, or office or hospitality, you start to see a new idea, new concept, and a new solution. Will encouraging the younger or the people or even us as a judges to be inspired to push more for another event. But thank you very much. I was quite enjoying, and I noticed all the team work quite hard. I was quite surprised you guys have handled it quite well. Right? Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Alex and Mr. Cosmas. Thank you so much for your sharing your opinion about Daikin Designer Award 2020. And now we also want to ask Miss Selvi and Mr. Yutaro Shibakawa-san. Okay, first of all, first question, Ibu Selvi, how does you feel about representing Daikin Indonesia after going through a long process at the 50 Daikin Indonesia and now Daikin Designer Award?
Okay, so first, actually I'm very proud I can be on this stage with 2 of top Indonesian designer. So if Daikin didn't help this kind of event, I think I cannot meet them. Even last time I just told Pak Cosmas, even when I visit his office, I cannot see him. I just can see his assistant. Very hard to meet him. And for Pak Alex, last time I thought he's always in Surabaya. Because we already have some database, Pak Alex. So your office address is in Surabaya. So I never visit. But for Pak Cosmas, 2 times. But I cannot meet him. Very hard. So thanks to this event, even takes a long journey, but I'm very thankful. Daikin, very good company for me. And why I said a very good company, because they can give us many of opportunity. Opportunity to see top designer. I'm not a designer, but I can know him. I can know them. So I'm very grateful I can be here tonight, and I'm very thankful to Daikin and all the judges and the association who already supporting this event. So I hope we can have another event same, maybe like this. So I hope this event can increase the knowledge, not only for the young designer actually, but also in the Daikin side. So because I'm joining as a judging, as a judges, I also get knowledge. I also get knowledge about the architect. Oh, so this is the good architects like this one. Oh, good interior is like this one. Oh, okay. I just know because of this event. So I'm very grateful to be here. Thank you.
So next year you design your own house then.
I think so.
Coded number. Coded number is important, yeah?
Yeah. Yes. But I will put my ACs the best. I will use Daikin, of course.
Okay, thank you Ibu Selvi for your answer. And for next question to Ryotaro Shibakawa-san, what are the expectation of you for architect and interior design through this event?
Expectation, question.
Yeah.
Oh,
Expectation.
Because you are the technical side, isn't it?
okay.
So maybe you have some expectation.
Okay, so my expectation is to work together and give a good solution after this event. Yeah, because comfortable room, cooling room is very important for the customer, and to make this room AC is very important. Not only the capacity, we need to consider the good circulation, good installation also. Then the after service also the very important. I hope that Daikin is one of the best company for the air conditioning, so that we can provide a lot of things, and we contently to develop our product. So please receive the latest and good information from us, and please utilize this information. Yeah.
Oke.
So my expectation is to work together.
To work together
Yes,
with
after this
Daikin.
season, yes.
Okay, thank you for Mr. Ryutaro Shibakawa-san for your answering. And last question, maybe both of you, Ms. Selvi and Mr. Ryutaro Shibakawa, can you give any tips from Daikin Indonesia regarding how to create a comfortable air conditioning system? Maybe Mr. Ryutaro first.
Comfortable AC system. Yeah?
Yes, of course.
I think one of the best advice is to choose Daikin product. Yeah. Okay, this is joking. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, yeah, of course need how I should say enough the capacity, good installation, good circulation. These are all, of course important. Yeah, but I think that we need to consider how to use the air conditioning also.
Okay.
Because currently we can control a lot of things by like smartphone. Yeah, for example, lighting, TV also. Yeah, the AC also the same. So this is not for comfortable, maybe the convenient. But this, I think that it becomes a very good solution for the customer. Yeah, so that we want to start to consider how to use the air conditioning. Yeah, this is my advice for them. Yeah.
Any tips? Okay. And for Miss
So,
Selvi?
yeah, actually, maybe this is not a tips. Maybe some requests, maybe.
Oh, some requests.
Yeah. So, of course, Daikin is a company who want to create comfort air for all the customer. So basically, what I see, because I'm the salesperson, so when I see the site, actually I have some requests to the designer. I'm talking about the project stage. So we want to support you to create and design comfortable air system, especially for AC. But sometimes quite late.
Oh, quite late.
Yes, because sometimes AC consider in the last part. So not consider in the first beginning when the planning stage.
Oh,
So because the design already there, and I'm see many not yet considering the AC in the first beginning. So quite challenging when we want to design and provide you better air circulation system design. Quite
Okay.
challenging. So for me, actually, if we can do it earlier, is better for me.
oh,
For
it's,
me, yeah.
it's request and tips.
Yeah, so request and tips.
Request
yeah.
and tips.
Yeah. And maybe the second one also request actually,
Request.
but also tips. So I'm seeing for the mid, high and high end project,
Okay.
they already have very good and very nice interior. So I think I didn't want AC ruin everything. So like this ballroom, let's say, okay? If they using the standard one, it will be ruin everything.
Yeah, yeah.
But if you want to use this kind of system, let's say in the hotel using the ducting one, I hope in the layout, at least we can get 30 centimeters space between the lowest beam
Okay.
into the ceiling.
Into the ceiling.
At least. So the air circulation system that distribute by the ducting can distribute well.
Okay.
So maybe just only a request ya.
we will start
The
together.
second one maybe request maybe. Yeah. So we can support you,
Okay.
give you ideal system of air conditioning.
Okay.
Maybe just only that maybe.
Okay, thank you, Miss Selvi and Mr. Yutaro Shibakawa. It's nice to hear that all of your answer. And once more, thank you so much to all the judges for your attention, time, and for your helping us to appreciate and support Indonesia designer and architect. And please, now we will continue our Designer Award 2020.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Dan selanjutnya kita akan masuk ke acara utama yang sudah ditunggu-tunggu oleh para tamu undangan sekalian. Setelah ini kita akan memulai sesi yang kita tunggu-tunggu, yaitu pengumuman para pemenang Daikin Designer Award 2020.
Baik, langsung saja kami akan umumkan untuk kategori yang pertama. Namun sebelumnya, we would like to invite Mr. Yutaro Shibakawa from PT Daikin Air Conditioning Indonesia to come to the stage.
Dan inilah kategori yang pertama, yaitu like
Likes
Instagram
terbanyak.
terbanyak. Dan pemenangnya adalah
Dekorasi Hunian Indonesia.
untuk Bapak Hermawanko, perwakilan dari DHI, kami persilakan untuk naik ke atas panggung. And to Mr. Yotaro Shibakawa-san, we'll give the certificate first and take the picture together. Yeah, thank you. And next, Mr. Shibakawa-san, please give the trophy.
Oke, kepada para hadirin yang boleh mengabadikan foto dan tepuk tangannya. Terima kasih kepada Dekorasi Hunian, Pak. Mohon maaf untuk dapat tetap bersama kami di atas. And thank you to Mr. Yotaro Shibakawa and can go back to your seat. Nah, kepada Bapak Hermawan, boleh diceritakan mungkin sedikit bagaimana kesan Bapak mewakili DHI mengikuti acara Daikin Designer Award 2020. Silakan Pak, kami persilakan.
Selamat sore kepada semua hadirin. Terima kasih banyak kepada semua Dewan Juri, pihak Daikin Indonesia, kemudian ProShop, mitra warga yang sudah memberikan kesempatan kepada PT Dekorasi Hunian Indonesia kami untuk ikut berkompetisi di Daikin Design Award. Ini kompetisi kami yang pertama. Sebelumnya kami nggak pernah ikut beginian. Dan ya kami bersyukur karena kami bisa dapat likes terbanyak. Kemudian saya berterima kasih kepada Tuhan karena tanpa Dia saya nggak mungkin ada di sini. Saya berterima kasih juga mewakili partner bisnis saya Pak Joy Tua karena ini hasil karya kami berdua dan seluruh tim DHI untuk eksekusinya. Dan kami juga berterima kasih untuk klien kami yang memberi kesempatan kepada kami untuk mendesain rumah beliau sehingga jadi seperti itu. Dan karena proyek itulah kami bisa dapat lagi yang lebih bagus lagi dan lebih bagus lagi. Dan semoga tahun depan kami bisa ikut berkompetisi lagi di Daikin Design Award lagi. Sekali lagi terima kasih untuk semuanya. Saya sangat bangga dan berterima kasih kepada Daikin karena diberi kesempatan ini. Dan saya persembahkan award ini untuk seluruh teman kami, kolega kami, saudara kami, vendor dan semua orang yang sudah likes proyek kami. Terima kasih.
Baiklah Pak, kalau begitu sekali lagi kami ucapkan terima kasih dan selamat telah meraih posisi like Instagram terbanyak.
Oke, terima kasih Bapak Hermawan. Dan selanjutnya langsung saja kita akan umumkan untuk kategori favorit kedua. Namun sebelumnya we would like to invite Ibu Selvi Aniyongnata dari PT Daikin Air Conditioning Indonesia untuk naik ke atas panggung.
Dan inilah kategori yang kedua, juara favorit kedua. Dan pemenangnya adalah
H Design.
untuk Ibu Valentin Kurniawan, kami persilakan untuk naik ke atas panggung. Baik, kepada Ibu Selvi silakan untuk memberikan sertifikat serta foto bersama. Baik, terima kasih. Silakan Ibu Selvi untuk memberikan trofinya.
Kepada para hadirin boleh mengabadikan foto untuk H Design juga. Kami persilakan. Dan terima kasih kepada H Design untuk tetap di atas panggung. Kami persilakan kepada Ibu Selvi untuk kembali ke tempat duduk. Oke. Kepada Ibu Valentin, boleh diceritakan mungkin bagaimana prosesnya persiapan Ibu mewakili H Design dapat mengikuti acara Daikin Designer Award 2020 sampai memenangkan juara favorit seperti ini.
Iya, sore semuanya, saya Valentin dari H Design. Ini saya mewakili H Design tanpa partner saya. Jadi ini desain udah dari tahun lalu, tapi terima kasih ke vendor Daikin Pro Shop kami, yaitu Juan Teknik, Pak Jono, yang udah sangat mendukung dan yang encourage kita untuk ikut kompetisi ini. Terus ya tadinya sih nggak merasa cukup yakin untuk ikut kompetisi. Ini juga pertama kalinya ikut dan terima kasih banget ke Daikin dan ke rekan-rekan lain yang sudah voting. Itu aja sih. Ya, terima kasih.
Baik, terima kasih kepada Ibu Valentin. Terima kasih dan selamat telah memenangkan posisi juara favorit yang kedua.
Dan langsung saja kita akan umumkan untuk kategori favorit pertama. Namun sebelumnya we would like to invite Mr. Wengki Handono from PT Daikin Air Conditioning Indonesia to come to the stage. Kepada Bapak Wengki kami persilahkan.
Dan inilah kategori yang ketiga, yaitu juara favorit pertama. Pemenangnya adalah
Mozaik Arsitek.
kepada Bapak Moses Mulyawan, kami persilakan untuk naik ke atas panggung. kepada Bapak Wengki, silakan untuk memberikan sertifikatnya serta foto bersama.
Oke, kepada para hadirin boleh mengabadikan foto.
Ya, terima kasih. Silakan untuk memberikan trofinya, Pak.
Oke, terima kasih dan kepada Mozaik Arsitek untuk tetap di atas panggung dan terima kasih kepada Bapak Wengki Handono. Kami persilahkan. Oke, baik. Kepada Bapak Moses, boleh diceritakan mungkin nih Pak, bagaimana proses persiapan Bapak mewakili Mozaik Arsitek dalam mengikuti acara Daikin Designer Award 2020 sehingga menjadi juara favorit pertama.
Iya, makasih sebelumnya. Makasih Daikin, makasih juri. Saya nggak nyangka nih terus terang. Ini saya nggak tahu juga dia begini. Awalnya saya ikut lomba ini ya karena dukungan dari Pak Juan Teknik ya. Di push gitu, ikut aja. Jadi ya udah ikut aja lah gitu. Ini baru pertama kali saya ikut kompetisi. Biasanya saya nggak pernah mau karena ya arsitek udah jalanin aja lah gitu loh, bagian dari hidup gitu loh ya. Aduh, seneng banget, sorry deg-degan nih. Jadi ya terima kasih buat Daikin sekali lagi, terima kasih buat juri, terima kasih buat teman-teman saya sudah bantu, terima kasih juga buat istri saya yang tercinta yang sudah dukung saya maksimum. Pak Bob juga terima kasih, Pak Bu Selvi ya. Kemudian juga terima kasih buat teman-teman Badak Esoki, teman-teman di Brimob, teman-teman di komunitas lain yang sudah mendukung saya untuk memvote semuanya. Benar-benar ya inilah hasilnya gitu loh. Terima kasih. Gitu aja.
Baik Pak, terima kasih dan selamat telah meraih posisi juara favorit pertama.
Oke, tadi 3 kategori sudah diumumkan. Selanjutnya langsung saja kita akan umumkan untuk kategori juara ketiga. Namun sebelumnya, we would like to invite Mr. Fauzi M. Taib from PT Daikin Air Conditioning Indonesia.
Dan inilah kategori yang keempat, yaitu juara ketiga. Pemenangnya adalah
H Design.
kepada Ibu Valentin, kami persilakan untuk naik ke atas panggung.
Congrats Ibu Valentin karena telah memenangkan 2 kategori.
Silakan kepada Bapak Fauzi untuk memberikan sertifikatnya serta foto bersama. Ya, selanjutnya Pak, silakan untuk memberikan trofi dan foto bersama.
Oke, terima kasih kepada Icisen untuk tetap di atas panggung dan terima kasih kepada Bapak Fauzi. Nah, kepada Ibu Valentin, kita sangat bahagia pada sore hari ini karena Ibu mendapatkan 2 kategori sekaligus, 2 kategori penghargaan. Boleh diceritakan Ibu, bagaimana tipsnya nih, strategi H-Design dalam mengikuti acara desain Daikin Designer Award 2020?
Nggak nyangka bisa naik 2 kali ke panggung ini. Trik-triknya nggak ada triknya sih.
Strateginya Bu mungkin Bu, apa menggunakan Daikin Pro Shop atau seperti apa gitu?
Strateginya sih sering-sering konsultasi sama Juan Teknik. Nanya-nanya terus selalu ngikutin saran dari vendor AC-nya gitu, nurutin. Kali ini saya mau terima kasih ke keluarga saya, partner saya, dan juga orang-orang yang udah mendukung, keluarga-keluarga yang lain yang udah voting, terus habis gitu nge-like gitu semua. Terus ya lainnya juga ke Daikin dan John Teknik lagi, udah gitu aja.
Ya, baik Bu, terima kasih dan selamat telah meraih posisi yaitu sebagai juara kedua.
Oke, selanjutnya kita akan umumkan untuk kategori juara kedua. Namun sebelumnya we would like to invite Bapak Budi Mulya untuk naik ke atas panggung.
Dan inilah kategori yang kelima yaitu juara kedua. Pemenangnya adalah
Tim 3 Arsitek.
pada Bapak Aulia, kami persilakan untuk naik ke atas panggung. Pada Bapak Mulia, kami persilakan untuk memberikan sertifikatnya.
Silakan para hadirin untuk dapat mengabadikan foto.
Ya, terima kasih Pak. Silakan untuk memberikan trofinya.
Oke, sekali lagi para hadirin boleh dapat mengabadikan foto. Dan terima kasih kepada tim 3 Arsitek. Oke. Ya, pada Bapak Budi kami persilakan untuk kembali ke tempat duduk. Oke, kepada Bapak Aulia boleh diceritakan Pak, bagaimana proses koordinasinya, desain arsitektur dan interiornya bersama mewujudkan desain yang begitu indah seperti karya yang Bapak presentasikan waktu itu.
Terima kasih. Kalau untuk proses bagaimana kami bekerja, tentu ide kami yang mulai lebih dulu, cuma dalam prosesnya tentunya tim-tim dari teman-teman dari tim utama engineering, Pak Budi, Mas Yudi, itu yang membantu kami bagaimana merencanakan sistem AC yang efektif, efisien, namun secara estetika juga masih sangat bagus. Dan itu prosesnya juga seringkali bolak-balik, apalagi di saat proses di lapangan kadang juga ada masalah, koordinasi lagi dengan mereka. Pokoknya harus sering-sering diskusi lah dengan mereka. Itu yang membuat bisa berjalan lancar.
Baik Pak, terima kasih dan selamat telah menerima posisi juara kedua. Kepada Bapak Aulia, kami persilakan untuk kembali ke tempat duduk.
Oke, nah selanjutnya setelah 5 kategori telah kami umumkan, langsung saja kita masuk kategori yang utama. Namun sebelumnya we would like to invite Mr. Ching Kim Huat as President Director PT Daikin Air Conditioning Indonesia come to the stage.
Dan inilah kategori yang utama yaitu juara utama. Pemenangnya adalah
Atelier Riri.
kepada Bapak Nurfiansa, kami persilakan untuk naik ke atas panggung. And to Mr. Ching Kim Huat, please give the certificate and take the picture together. Yeah. Thank you. Next, Mr. Ching, please give the trophy and take the picture.
Oke, kepada para hadirin boleh mengabadikan foto. Inilah juara pertama. Terima kasih kepada Atelier Riri dan kepada Mr. Chin Kim Huat. Please come stay on this seat.
Sore semua, deg-degan, ngos-ngosan. Biasanya kalau lecture nggak gini-gini amat. Menang kayak gini ternyata lebih apa ya, nggak siap. Anyway, thank you buat Daikin, buat ProShop juga, makasih banyak. Buat Dewan Juri, Mas Alex Bayu, Mas lupa, Mas Ngosmas, Mbak Selvi, dan tim Daikin semua, terima kasih kesempatannya, kerjasamanya selama ini. Saya juga mau terima kasih buat kliennya, Pak Teddy Hartoko yang udah mempercayakan kita untuk menjadi arsiteknya dari awal. Dari awal mendesain proyek ini kita langsung dipercaya, ngedesain nggak pernah direvisi, termasuk ketika merekomendasikan hal-hal yang sifatnya teknis. Salah satunya waktu itu dibantu sama tim ProShop ya Pak Riki ya kalau nggak salah. Saya mohon maaf kalau lagi di proyek suka ngomel-ngomelin anak buahnya. Suka bernegosiasi untuk desain supaya benar-benar optimal gitu. Jadi sebenarnya di proyek ini awalnya nggak mau pakai AC sentral. Jadi memang ketika di tengah jalan harus dimodified ya. Itu perjuangan untuk bisa akhirnya si rumah ini bisa beradaptasi dengan desain yang kita buat gitu. Boleh terima kasih lagi ya. Terima kasih buat tim desainnya yang udah siang malam terus pasti mikirin proyek ini supaya benar-benar selesai. Buat Harin proyek arsiteknya dan beberapa teman-teman arsitek di Atelier Riri juga yang terus semangat mensupport karya-karya Atelier Riri. Ini jadi hadiah buat kita 10 tahun Atelier Riri akhirnya dapat award di masa pandemi ini. Ya harapan saya semoga kita bisa terus berkarya, semoga bumi makin baik lagi, semoga kita ke depan bisa dapat hikmah dan menjadi semangat buat kita bisa lebih kreatif lagi. Thank you Daikin, semoga tahun depan bisa berdiri di sini lagi. Makasih.
Baik, terima kasih Pak dan selamat telah meraih posisi di juara pertama.
Oke, sekali lagi kami ucapkan selamat kepada seluruh pemenang Daikin Designer Award 2020.
Berikutnya langsung saja kami juga turut mengundang ke atas panggung yaitu kepada Ibu Rina Renville sebagai Ketua HDI DKI Jakarta. Kami persilakan.
Oke, yang kedua kepada Bapak William Buren dari Sekretariat IAI DKI Jakarta.
Selanjutnya kepada Bapak Alex Bayu Saputro selaku juri dari HDI DKI Jakarta.
Dan selanjutnya kepada Bapak Kosmas Gozali selaku judges dari IAI DKI Jakarta.
And we invite Mr. Chin Kim Kuat to give the appreciation to HDI and IAI for supporting on Daikin Designer Award 2020.
Oke, para hadirin boleh mempersilahkan untuk ambil foto mengabadikan prosesi pemberian plakat untuk HDI dan DKI Jakarta. Oke, untuk Bapak dan Ibu tetap di atas panggung. Please stay on the stage. Mr. Ching, take a picture together.
Thank you. Baik, selanjutnya kita akan foto bersama dengan para pemenang. Untuk itu kami mengundang kembali, yaitu kepada Bapak Hermawanko. Silakan untuk naik ke atas panggung.
Oke, kedua kepada Ibu Valentin Kurniawan dari H Design, kami persilahkan untuk maju ke atas panggung.
Selanjutnya kepada Bapak Moses Mulyawan, kami persilakan untuk atas panggung.
Dan yang keempat kepada Bapak Aulia Fadil dari tim 3 Arsitek, kami persilahkan untuk naik ke atas panggung juga.
Dan selanjutnya kepada Bapak Norfiansa Yakub, kami persilakan untuk naik ke atas panggung.
Dan yang terakhir kepada Bapak Budi Mulya dari PT Daikin Air Conditioning Indonesia, kami persilakan untuk naik ke atas panggung. Baik, Bapak Ibu kami persilakan untuk mengabadikan prosesi foto. Tolong Asyar mungkin ada request dari fotografer untuk boleh baik diberikan senyuman yang paling lebar untuk prosesi foto pada malam hari ini. Oke, dapat diberikan senyuman terbaiknya. Oke, terima kasih. Kami persilahkan untuk Mr. Ching, please stay on stage with us. Dan Bapak Ibu kami persilahkan untuk kembali ke atas ke tempat duduk masing-masing.
Baik, berikutnya kita akan masuk ke sesi door prize. Door prize ini hanya diberikan kepada para voters yang telah mendukung para peserta Daikin Designer Award 2020, yaitu melalui Instagram Live. Dan pada malam ini akan berkesempatan untuk mendapatkan hadiah, yaitu berupa gift set Daikin, lalu juga ada voucher sebesar Rp500.000 dan Daikin Air Purifier. And now we will drawing the door prize and lead by Mr. Ching Kim Kwat.
Okay, we will draw for the third winner, second winner, and the first winner. Okay, sir, we will start it based on your instruction. If you're ready, you can say start. Okay.
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 Start.
Ya, selamat kepada Rensi 02010 mendapatkan yaitu hadiah seperti gift set Daikin.
Okay, shall I start the next one?
Yes.
Okay, start.
Dan untuk pemenang kedua, Kalmi Janet. Selamat telah memenangkan voucher belanja sebesar Rp500.000. Yes.
Start.
Ya, selamat kepada Andri Ang itu mendapatkan Daikin Air Purifier.
Oke, selamat kepada para pemenang. Nanti akan dihubungi lebih lanjut oleh tim Daikin untuk konfirmasi pengiriman hadiahnya. Oke, kami persilakan Mr. Ching Kim Kwat untuk kembali ke tempat duduknya. Oke, selamat kepada para pemenang door prize pada hari ini. Dan dengan berakhirnya sesi pengundian door prize, maka berakhir pula rangkaian acara online pada malam hari ini.
Kami mewakili PT Daikin Air Conditioning Indonesia ingin mengucapkan terima kasih khususnya yang sudah menyaksikan acara ini secara virtual. Akhir kata saya Erlinda Silalahi.
Dan saya Reynold Andika. Mohon pamit undur diri. Selamat malam dan sampai jumpa di event Daikin berikutnya.